Hey everyone, it's Susan with the Outdoor Gear Review. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Today I'm reviewing the Dark Peak jacket. This is the women's Nessh jacket. There is a men's version, but today this is for the ladies. This is a lightweight down jacket. It comes in 5 different colors. This is the women's gray size medium. It's available in sizes extra small all the way to extra large. The colors are black, blue, maroon, gray, and red. The cost of the women's Nessh jacket is $229 and it's available at the website for Dark Peak at darkpeakgear.com. The Nessh jacket offers a lot of features. We have a 2-way zipper. The zipper has a wind block behind it. These waist pockets are low enough for when I'm wearing my backpack, I can still put my hands in them. We have wrist mitts, or gaiters if you call them. Keeps your hands warm, and then you can just tuck them under if you don't want to wear them. The back of the Nessh jacket is longer than the front. We have an elasticated hem for adjustability. Inside you will see 3 pockets, big ones on each side, and then a nice zippered pocket right here that is good for your phone. The hood is also adjustable. A helmet will fit under this hood, and we have the elastic adjustability right here in the back. The size medium comes in at 11.3 ounces. The materials for the jacket is a ripstop 10D nylon outer and inner shell. It is water resistant because it has a DWR coating on it. It is 850 fill power. The company claims that it's responsibly sourced goose down. And you're looking at YKK zippers. All right, everyone, I have showed you the features of this jacket, and we've talked about all the details. So now I'm ready for the review, and I'm ready to tell you about my experience with it. I've had this jacket for almost a year. I wore it lightly during the summer months and warmer temps, and almost on a daily basis when it turned cold. Like mentioned before, the jacket offers a lot of features, which are typically found in higher end jackets. This jacket has traveled with me. It's held up very well. The quality is excellent, and all the pros for this jacket are all of the great features, like it being longer, the zippers, the gaiters, all the adjustability that this jacket offers. That's where the pros are. It's incredibly warm, it's incredibly comfortable. Today outside it's about 28 degrees and I'm very toasty. The jacket is very flexible. You will see that we have vertical side channels, or the baffles, and it's easy to move in this jacket. One thing I want to point out and show off is the 2-way zipper. It is nice to have this jacket zipped up and be able to unzip from the bottom. Having this feature has been really useful. You can sit down, it doesn't bunch up. If you need a little bit of airflow, you can just unzip and get that. This jacket packs away into the waist pocket. It does take a little bit of effort to get it in there, but the pocket turns inside out and you can actually compress and stuff it in that, which is very handy. You don't have to worry about a separate stuff sack. As far as the colors and the sizing, I think the company offers a lot of variety with that, which is nice. There are 5 colors to choose from, like I mentioned, several different sizes. Talking about sizing, I'm wearing the women's size medium. This jacket is from the UK, and their sizes are different than USA sizes. So for the USA, you need to size up. This is the medium, but for the USA, it's considered a size small. So keep that in mind if you choose to get this jacket. While I could have gotten away with a size small, the size medium fits me better and allows for me to have a pullover, a sweater, a thinner jacket. It allows for that underneath with no problem. Before we end the review, it's time to talk about the 2 cons that I have for this jacket. The first one has to do with price. This jacket is priced at $229. You can easily find a jacket that costs more or less than this price point. It's really about the brand, and if you want to look for a good deal, remember you don't always have to pay retail price. The final con that I want to talk about is the business model of Dark Peak. They have a motto on the back shoulder of this jacket that says "one sold, one given." And essentially that is a business model that they follow, where every time you buy this jacket, they give away a different jacket to a homeless person. For some, that may be an incentive to support this company and to buy this jacket, and for others it may not be. I had someone ask me about the logo on the back of the jacket because when the hood is up, it is clearly visible. Not so much when the hood is down or if your hair is covering it. But they asked me what it meant, and when I explained to them, they said, "That's a little weird that it's printed on the jacket." It's not right in your face. It can be hidden by the hood or by longer hair, but it's definitely back there. If you think about it, when you buy this one, you're buying another jacket. So my question is what would the cost of this jacket be if that business model wasn't in effect? Some people may not have the extra money to buy a jacket for themselves and for someone else. It's just something to consider. All right, everyone, I've said a lot about the Nessh jacket from Dark Peak, and now it's your turn. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the cost of it? What do you think about the business model? Feel free to comment down below. Send me an email if you have any questions. Everyone, take care, strength and honor, and I'll catch you on the next one.